And today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of some stuck on starting on the application of Snapchat. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down and you search or you find this application of Snapchat here, and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.